we are going to discuss about a small feature called as post messages. So we have to understand what exactly a post message and what is the use. How can we prepare post messages in Lightning Web Component framework? And how can we show some notifications to the people through post messages? Okay, we'll see with the practical. And what kind of modules we need to import into our Lightning Web Component by using import statement. And how can we show the different variants of post messages? We'll see with the practical. For example, so let me go to my Salesforce org. For example, I'm going to my Salesforce org. Now, I'm having my Salesforce org. In my org, I'm going to my application, sales application, custom application, whatever, anything. For example, I'm accessing Merck Pharma application. In this application, I'm having the various objects, like for example, some hiring manager object. I'm creating a new record. Click on new button. Now the page layout will be getting open. We can specify the details to create a record. Now here I'm giving this name over here, hiring manager name. Like I would like to specify the name as some Sridhar Kumar. Location as some Chennai. Designation some HR executive. Employment type permanent. Current CTC 12 lakhs. And the contact number, I'm giving some value. Email ID, I'm giving this a name over here, like sridhar.k@gmail.com. I have entered the data. Now click on save button. So now I'm creating a new record by entering the data inside this fields. Now, once I click on this save button, immediately my record will be getting created. Now I'm getting one notification over here. I'm getting a confirmation notification. Hiring manager Sridhar Kumar was created. That means I'm getting some notification. Now these notifications are called as toast notifications. These are called as toast notifications or the toast messages. So whenever we are performing some DML operations, like for example, now I'm updating this record values. Click on edit button. I'm changing the location from Chennai to Hyderabad. When you click on save button, again I'm getting this a toast notification over here. Now, so in this case, upon performing the DML operations, not only insert at the time of update also, delete also, and delete also. Let's see. When we try to delete this record, click on delete button. I will be getting one notification over here. My record has been deleted. Whenever we are restoring the record back to the actual object also. For example, I'm going to the recycle bin. I'm going to the recycle bin. Now this hiring manager record I would like to restore. Click on restore. Again, you will be getting one notification back over here. So upon performing the DML operations, it may be insert, it may be update, it may be delete, it may be undelete also. While performing this DML operations, we are getting some alerts. We are getting some confirmation messages. These messages are called as toast messages in Lightning Web Component Framework. These are called as toast messages. Then what this message will indicate? This message is indicating progress or status of your work. In order to represent the progress of your operation, whether operation has been done or not, whether operation has been failed or not, whether do we have any error messages or not, do we have any warning messages or not, this kind of messages we can show to the people through these toast messages. So toast messages will be getting represented, okay, upon performing the DML operations. While performing some DML operations inside your object records to represent the status or progress of your operation, we are using some notification messages. Those are called as toast messages. So by using this toast message, we can show the confirmation of that message, or it may be related to some information also, related to some warning message also, related to some failed messages also. Here we can show the progress or we can show the status of your operation with the help of toast messages. Now, so now in this case here, then how can we represent this kind of toast messages inside your Lightning Web component? Whenever we are going to be representing this toast messages, then we have to import a module into your Lightning Web component inside the JavaScript file by using import statement. What is that? Okay, module. We have to import a module called as show toast event. Show toast event. We have to import this module, okay, inside your Lightning Web component framework inside the JavaScript file. And from there, we can represent the required message with the different variants, with the different messages also. Whatever you want to convey to the people, we can show these messages as well. Now, so now here in this case, there is a small point here. Whenever we are representing this toast messages will be getting visible within your Salesforce organization only. But till now, once the component has been prepared, we have tested the component. How? We have created a separate Lightning application. We are running the application by using a separate browser window. There we are able to test the functionality over there. But now, so whenever if you are testing this component from outside of this organization, those messages will not be visible. This will be visible within the organization only. That means develop the component, deploy the component into your Salesforce, or we can place the component in any of the place. It may be record page, it may be tab also, it may be community also. Wherever you want to can place, then only it will show the toast notifications. So toast notifications will be visible whenever we are referencing the component inside your Salesforce org only, not from outside. Okay, now. So now in this case, how can we prepare this toast messages here? So what kind of steps we used to follow? We'll see one by one. Now, make a note of this one, toast messages. Toast messages are used to represent the notification alerts to the users upon performing the DML operations inside the organization. That is, while performing the DML operations, we can represent the status or progress of the operation by using toast messages. Toast messages. Based on the requirement, we can represent the required message with the required variant. With the required variant. Now, toast messages will be visible when the component has been referenced inside the Salesforce organization. When the component has been referenced inside the Salesforce organization. To represent the toast messages or toast notifications, we have to import a module called as show toast event from Lightning platform show toast event. Syntax. Import show toast event from Lightning platform show toast event. You want the pen? Done with this? Now, let's see how can we do that. So what are the various of properties are available here? Now let's see. First property, title. To specify the title for the toast message. Title. Message. To specify the message to be visible inside the toast notification. So what message you want to show to the people, that we can specify in the message property. Variant property. To specify the appearance. To specify the appearance of the toast message. Like we are having the option success, info, warning, confirm. These are the various variants are available here. So now, whenever we are going to be selecting this variant will be of type success, then it will show that toast message with a green color. That means operation has been successfully done. Info. Whenever we are selecting this option, info, then in that case, it will show that message here. So this is error. Now, info. Now, this info is going to be representing here. The message will be in the gray color. Suppose if you want to convey some message to the people, then we can able to show that here by using information. Third one, warning. So now it is going to be representing the message to the people in the form of yellow color. Now that means a warning icon will be visible. Error means if there is an operations has been failed, in that case here we are going to be representing the message to the people by using this error appearance or the error variant, which will show the message in the form of red color. Now success will be with a green color, information will be with gray color, warning will be with yellow color, error will be with the red color. So these are the color coding notations. So upon representing the notifications to the people, we can use this different variants as well. Depends upon the operation status, we can use any one of this variant. Next one. Mode. Now, as part of this mode, in the sense, a mode will be used to represent, how long time this message will be appears to the people. To specify how long time the message to be visible to the users. Here we are having the options like as a dismissible. This is the default option. And then we have pester. We have sticky. These are the 4 properties are available here. These are the 4 properties. So now dismissible, pester, and the sticky. Then what exactly this each mode, I will explain one by one. Then how can we prepare this toast notification? Let me show you. In this case, as a step 1, we have to import that namespace here. Import the module. Import the module. For that one, we are using import show toast event from Lightning platform show toast event. As a step 2, prepare the toast messages, and display. In that case, here we can able to prepare that content. Constant show success message equals to new show toast event. Here we can specify the properties. Here we can specify the title property. Title will be it's a success operation. Message operation completed successfully. Variant success variant. Mode dismissible. We are representing that, and then we can show the message by using this dot dispatch event. This dot dispatch event of show success message. That's it. These are the two simple steps we used to follow. As a step one, import that corresponding module into your Lightning Web Component by using import statement. As a step two, we can able to prepare the message and then we can show the message over here by using dispatch event method. Same error message. But here we are going to be indicating error. And then here we can show the message which you would like to show. Okay. Done? Now, let's see how can we do that. Let me show you with the practical. Now, what I want to do is, I want to create a small Lightning Web Component. In that web component, I would like to show 4 buttons. Because I want to show all these are 4 variants: success variant, info variant, warning, error. To show that four types of error messages, I would like to use four button controls. Upon click on the button control, I would like to show the corresponding error message to the people. Then how can we do that? Okay, we'll see with the practical use case. Design a LWC component to represent four button components and represent the toast notifications upon click on the buttons. Upon click on the buttons, I would like to show the toast notification. Then how can we show these toast notifications? Okay, I will show you with practical. Now, let me show you with the practical use case. How can we do this? I'm going to my Visual Studio. Let me create a new Lightning Web component. Now, show toast messages component. I'm creating a new Lightning Web component now. I would like to go to the HTML file, that means template file, and then I would like to prepare a div tag. In this div tag, I would like to place four button controls here. Now I would like to place the four button controls. If you want to add a lightning card, then you can add. Okay, it is providing all the functionalities in the form of IntelliSense over here. Just you can press a tab, it will be indicating. Tab. When you press the tab button, it will be including automatically. Okay. Now, so it is indicating that starting part first. Then once the place for mouse pointer is available over there, it will show the ending part also here automatically. Okay. Now, not only the idea, we can go with this one directly. That's it. We need to prepare here. Now this we need to write, that's it. Button also placing automatically here. Now the division tag also available, lightning card also available. It is indicating this. So now batch 110, okay, Salesforce lightning components title also added here. And then icon also adding over here automatically. Okay, because they would like to make the development job very easily. Now, I would like to use that lightning button. So now here once you place the mouse pointer over there, it is showing the remaining properties also. You no need to write that piece of code, it is providing this information. Now, I would like to place the label here. Now, I would like to specify the message as success message. And then variant, I'm giving the variant as, like for example, brand outline. And then I would like to give that two spaces over here, ampersand NVSP semicolon, ampersand NVSP semicolon. I would like to add one more button also over here. So once you place the mouse pointer over here, two more buttons are also getting visible here. The code is getting visible. So without writing the code by our own, okay, now it is providing this kind of functionalities over here. It's like as artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, based on the previous code, the similar kind of code will be getting visible over here. Just you can place that mouse pointer there itself. Don't touch this keyboard. It will be placing that directly. Once you press the tab, it will include automatically. Now, so now here in this case, I would like to place this too. I'm giving this message here, error message. It is giving the labels also, warning message automatically. Variant also included. It is giving this space also here. Now, once you place the mouse pointer there itself, again, it will show some more buttons also automatically over there. Now we can able to show that here, ampersand NVSP semicolon. Now here I would like to place that mouse pointer here itself. Once you place the mouse pointer, it is showing some more over here. Okay. Now, no, we don't have any reset message here. Now, so now here in this case, success message and the error message, warning message, information message here. These are the 4 buttons here, which we are going to place inside my Lightning Web Component. I'm placing these 4 buttons side by side. Now, if you want to apply some style for this, just let me add that style file. Show toast messages component .css. Here I'm preparing that div tag over here. Inside this div tag, we can able to write that content over here. It is populating some content information inside this background color, font size, font family, padding also here, margin also, like that it is providing all this information. Now, that's what here Salesforce is keep on removing some features from developer console. Previously in developer console, upon writing the piece of code, okay, suppose if I'm writing class name dot, method names are populated, field names are populated. But they have removed that feature autocomplete option from winter 24 release onwards. From winter 24, autocomplete option has been completely retired from Salesforce over there. Now, so because they are going to be promoting the people to use that Visual Studio. Okay, that's what here they are going to be removing those features from the developer console. I think after some time, when moving forward, they will remove the developer console completely. Development should be done from this particular VS Code itself. And that too, this VS Code is available inside your licensed edition, as a cloud-based feature that is called as Code Builder. You will be getting that option inbuilt. You no need to install into your local system. That is available in the form of cloud-based feature. From any place you can access it. Development should be done from that Code Builder. Admin should be done from that normal Salesforce configuration part. Okay. No. VS Code, Code Builder, both are same. But VS Code is we have to install. Code Builder is cloud-based. Everything, the same look and feel, same functionality, same screen, everything is same. But that can be accessible through browser itself. Okay. But previously, right. Previously, that Code Builder has been given by Salesforce in the form of a app action product as a beta version. That means like as a free. But then later they have removed that option from the beta version. No app action product from Code Builder for Salesforce. That is purely available only for licensed edition. That too for Enterprise Edition, Unlimited Edition, and Steam 1 Sales Edition. But not in Professional Edition, not in Starter Suite Edition. Okay. Now here I would like to specify these options over here, like the width. Width I'm indicating some 400 pixel. Border, I want to give 1 pixel width. Solid maroon. Border radius 10 pixel. Margin top 20 pixel. Margin left 20 pixel or 50 pixel. Padding left 10 pixel. Padding top 10 pixel. Padding bottom 10 pixel. Padding right 10 pixel. I'm applying some style also here. Now, so now here I would like to write the business logic. So upon click on this button control, I would like to show that message. So I'm going to be writing the business logic over here, like on click. Handle success message. I want to prepare this a method over here. That means JavaScript function. Let's go to that controller file. Write the business logic. Now, so here I would like to show the toast notification. So that here toast message we need to import over here. Now, import show toast event from Lightning platform show toast event. Now, I'm going to be loading the content over here. So now it is providing that IntelliSense option by default over here. The whole code is available to you. Now the constant success message. Now just you can press the tab button. You can able to include the code. Show toast event. I'm giving the title as success and the message as okay. Now I would like to show operation completed successfully. Variant is success variant. Mode dismissible. I would like to have that dismissible. Mode dismissible, and then we are going to be okay dispatching that event here success message. Let's save this. Now I would like to prepare the second method here. On click equals to, I would like to prepare the method handle error message. Handle error message. Now, once you place the mouse pointer, it is populating this here. Use that content. Now, constant error message title value, and then message I would like to indicate something went wrong, operation failed. I would like to show the variant as error, mode as dismissible. Next, third one. On click equals to handle warning message. Here I'm preparing the method. Place the mouse pointer, it will show that content over here, the similar kind of content. Then we can able to include that content also over there. Now, warning message. The content will be getting visible over here. I will change that one. Now, this dot dispatch event warning message. Now here now I would like to specify the variant will be the warning. Now I would like to specify pester. Here warning message I would like to show here. Now please enter the search content. Please enter the search content. I would like to show some warning message. The fourth one. On click equals to handle information message. Now you will be getting this notification also. Info message, I'm indicating information. Now I would like to indicate, okay, please enter the search content. Here I'm giving the mode as sticky. These are the button components are available here and then corresponding business logics. Now once the component is ready with the required business logics, then we have to reference the component inside your Salesforce arc. So go to the metadata file, access the component. Is exposed equals to true. We need to add targets. Here we are adding a target over here, like as home page, target, record page. These are the two places in which I would like to access my Lightning Web component, so which can be used to represent some post notification. If you are running this component from a normal Lightning application, it won't show the post notification. That is the problem. So that we have to reference inside your Lightning Salesforce org. Now let me go back to my Salesforce org now. I'm going to my Salesforce object. Let me take an object with the name. For example, we are having customers object here. Here I would like to add a tab. Click on setup menu. Click on edit page. Now I would like to add a new tab over here. Here because the tabs are available. I would like to add a new tab. Click on add a tab. I'm giving my own name. I want to give the custom name here. Post messages. Now a new tab has been added over here. Just you can click on the tab. In the left panel, you will be having your own custom components which you have built in the past. 3 components already we have discussed. Now this component here we are going to placing inside. Just you can drag and drag. Now the component has been placed over here. Click on save. Activate. I want to make this customizations can be applicable for the applications. I want to make it visible for LG sales and the farmers insurance. Merck Pharma. These are the applications. Let's save this. Go back to the recorded detail page now. Go to the toast messages. The buttons are getting visible here. Now let me place the buttons side by side. Let me adjust that width. I would like to give 800 pixel. Refresh the screen. It will take some time to reflect that. Still not reflected. Okay. In this meantime, we'll have the testing process. Once you click on success message, it will show the success message over here. Now here the success message will be getting visible. Now here I have given that okay mode as dismissible. What do you mean by this dismissible? Dismissible means what? It will show the message, okay, not toast messages for you on the screen for 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds it will show that here. Within the 3 seconds, if we click on cross button here, automatically it will be getting disappeared. Okay, automatically it will be disappeared here. See, once you click on show message here, 3 seconds. Once you click on here, it will be visible for 3 seconds. After the 3 seconds, automatically disappear. This is called as dismissible. Suppose in this case, once it is showing this message, after 1 second, if we click on cross button, it will be disappearing immediately. See, once you click on this close, it will be disappeared here. Maximum 3 seconds here. In the 3 seconds, at any point of time, we can make it dismissed. That is called a dismissible. Next, second one, error message. Now this is showing this error message here. This is also having that, okay, variant will be of time dismissible here. Now, warning message. It is having that pester. Pester means what here? Compulsorily 3 seconds it will visible. You can't close this one. Compulsorily 3 seconds it will visible. See, you don't have this close button over here. You can't close it. Once the 3 seconds are over, it will disappear automatically by default. This is the functionality of pester. Sticky means what? Lifetime it will show. Until or unless you are not click on close, it won't close that here. Now click on information message. See, it will show lifetime also here. Half an hour also, 1 hour also, 2 hours also it will show. Until or unless you are not closing that, it won't close. These are the three options. Dismissible will show maximum 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds, at any point of time, we can close that. Second one, pester. Pester will be visible compulsorily 3 seconds. You don't have the option to close. And then sticky will be visible always also until or unless you are not click on close button, it won't close that icon. These are the three types of modes are available: dismissible, pester, and the sticky. Dismissible is the default option over here. Okay. We can show success message, error message, warning message, information. Now we can able to see these messages also over. Depends upon the requirement, we can show these messages also. These are the 4 color coding notations are available. Information will be with the gray color. Remaining will be having 3 different colors over. Okay, clear? This is the concept of toast notifications. So whenever we are performing certain operations inside the application, we can show the corresponding result or the progress or the status of your operation with the help of toast notifications to the people. Okay, for that one, we are going to following these kind of steps. As a step 1, we have to import that corresponding module into your Lightning Web component through JavaScript file. As a step 2, we need to show the corresponding message and then dispatch that event over. Okay. Dispatching is nothing but firing. It will prepare this notification message. Then I want to fire it. I want to show that. For that one, we are using dispatch event. But practice is very, very important. If you do the practice, then only you can remember this functionality. Or else it will be difficult to remember. And because whenever you are attending the interviews, if they are especially expecting that Lightning Web component, then most of the questions they will focus on Lightning Web components only. Admin part will be less, development also less. In development, mainly they will focus on 2 topics: batch programming, scheduling, and then triggers. And then compulsorily they will ask you to write the trigger code and then Lightning Web component. These are the things they will focus. And then security concept. In security, already we have discussed that almost 72 features in security concept. So all those features are very, very important. Okay. Now, the next one we have a major topic here, a big topic that is called as Lightning Data Services. Then we have to expose it. Right. Because this metadata file will be clearly indicating the scope of that component. Up to what level these components can be accessible, where we can access this component, that will be indicating by metadata. Whether it is accessible in record detail page or home page or Lightning tab or Lightning flow, Lightning community, where it is accessible, that will be indicating by this metadata.
It means any application.
Any application, any object,
Particular.
not particular application. Any application, any object, any record, we can place it.
If I want to use only my
Then in that case over here, we can specify the application upon activating this component over here. Now, whenever we are going to be editing this page, now we are having the activation option. In that activation, we can specify only your application name. Application default. Here we can select only that corresponding application. Okay. This is the concept of post messages. And then we are having the next topic, Lightning data services, that we'll see in the next session. In the next session, we are going to be discussing about Lightning data services. How can we implement? We'll see. And then, yes, that is most important. And then that will be on Monday. Monday onwards, we'll be having online session completely for 1 week. I will be out of station. So for next week, so that next week will be purely online sessions, no classroom. All the sessions are online sessions. Yeah, I will be sharing the link to all the people. Okay. So please be available on Monday. Monday will be having, timings will be the same. I'm not changing the timings. Timings will be the same.
Can you please repeat once again, Firoz? I missed.
Now, the next session will be on Monday again. Okay, Monday will be having the session, which is most important feature, Lightning data service. How to connect with your Salesforce object through JavaScript full stack. Okay.
So Saturday and Sunday we don't have sessions.
Saturday, Sunday, no sessions are available. Thank you.
This conference is no longer being recorded.